thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 385, effective until 01:00 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Colorado: Cheyenne, Crowley, El Paso, Kiowa, and Pueblo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over western Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Fountain, Manitou Springs, Stratmoor, Fort Carson, Security-Widefield, Peterson Space Force Base, Cimarron Hills, and Cascade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.